Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk around a very sunny HQ today of the gorgeous Nissan Juke N-Connecta Xtronic. And you also, of course, on there have the frozen white paintwork with the black styling, ensuring this Juke is one that looks fantastic. Now, I'm going to show you all the reasons why you should consider this as your next car. You can see you've got your headlights just up here, you've got your front fog lights, you've also got your daytime runners. And on there, you've got that gorgeous gloss black styling pack, which gives it a real meaty presence, a lot more aggressive on the eye than a normal Juke. See, you've got that gloss black all across the grille, along with the chrome styling as well. Down there, you've got your multi-spoke 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, again finished in gloss black, 17-inch with a silver caliper. You've got the black plastic wheel arch surrounding, of course, all the way down across the side skirt. On your doors as stoppers to ensure no trolleys or anything like that hit them. And you can see you've got that gorgeous paintwork as well. Also on the mirrors with your built-in indicators, you've got your black on the window surround and on the mirrors as well. You can see you've got your satin wrap just here from factory on your door pillars. That just ensures that you don't get any scratches. Top door handle, and then of course you move all the way around, you've got the iconic rear end of the Juke. Top lip spoiler, rear window wash, high level brake light, and the funky rear tail lights as well. And on there you've got the chrome boot strip, gloss black honeycomb diffuser, and of course single exit chrome exhaust as well. Now in terms of boot room, the Juke isn't all that bad. You can see we've taken the parcel shelf out just to show it's got them there with the pictures, but you can also see in there you've got a mass of room and storage in terms to get anything. You can put push chairs, buggies, or anything of that nature. And if you are struggling, under there you've got an extra layer where you can hide many of your stuff, including your parcel shelf. And to shut the boot, press it down, job done. You can also see just under there you've got a reverse camera as well. And from every different angle, the Juke is a car that is very, very obvious from any different perspective. Really good looking, and again that gloss black, I can't tell you from my perspective just how good that looks in terms of a contrast against that solid white paintwork. If you're after a car that looks good, that drives well, that's well spec'd, and of course offers very good economy, then the Juke, my friends, is probably the car for you. So without further ado, let's show you exactly what that interior entails. And as far as interiors go that will surprise you, I think the Juke can be considered right up there on the list. You've got the leather on the instrument cowling, leather steering wheel with half perforated leather, and then you've got one of the best features about any Juke of any model. You've got the sculpted sport seats. Now on these you can see you've got the honeycomb effect cloth and Alcantara, manually adjustable. You've got your Juke floor mats, you've got your Juke door inlay, black metallic on the door just here, of course on the armrest, central locking, window locking, and of course windows as well, all electric, and a chrome door handle just there. Now door handle for the Juke at the back is at the top, so it's hidden, and you can see you've got full isofix and super clean interior, no rips, no tears, and loads of space for rear occupants. And then when you get inside the Juke, not only is it super comfortable, it's also super good looking. So you can see now in front of me you've got the dual clocks. Now to turn the Juke on, you can see start stop button just there. Press it once, let it illuminate, and then of course what we'll do now, you can see everything clicking on. Foot on the brake, press the button, bang, done. Starts first time, no issues, no delay, no lag, no problem at all. Now, being an automatic, you can see here you have your shift indicator. In the terms of it, tells you what gear you're currently in. You can also see it's covered just over 42,000 miles, and you've got your fuel on the right and your temperature on the left. Now, moving across from there, you can see you've got your auto lights. You've also got your indicators and high beam. And on this stalk, you've got your auto wipers as well. Moving down here, you can see you've got your electrically adjustable mirrors and folding, headlight range control, TPMS and your tyre pressure setting, and of course your traction control down here, boot and bonnet release, as well as your fuel tank. Now, what you can do on there, if you wish, you can click this button. That of course changes the trip computer option on your digital display. I would have it at that. You've got your fuel range and you've got your miles. And moving down, you can see the steering wheel again, leather here, soft leather, and then here you've got the textured half perforated, which not only looks great, but it's really handy in alternate weather conditions to save your grip being lost. You've got your audio source and information, you've got your volume control just here with your Bluetooth telephone, and you've got your cruise control just here. Moving down again on the wheel, you've got a concave base, all leather, really smart. Then we move up, you're now on to your media system. Of course, you can see it is touchscreen, so you can have all your different options. We'll go through it from the whole. So encapsulated in piano gloss black, you've got your phone, you can connect your Bluetooth, you've got DAB, we'll turn that down, but you can see on there FM, AM and DAB. You've got CD, auxiliary, you can change. If you click on your camera, you can change options for your guidelines, and you've got your map here for your sat nav. High contrast, high resolution. It is a smaller screen, but don't be deterred, it doesn't mean it isn't fully functional and really a helpful aid. You've also got your speed limit assist, got navigation here, you can enter your address, you can go on your info, get your eco score, your apps of course on there, Facebook as well. Why you'd want Facebook on there, I don't know, but there you go. And traffic messages. If you go on setup, you can change all the different options just here. Volume control is controlled by this, and of course to zoom in and out of your map, you use this button just here. Now moving down, you've got climate and drive mode. This is a really cool function that I really love on the Juke. So if I click on driving mode, how cool is that? All the buttons change automatically and digitally from behind, which I think is just super clever. Honestly, every time it gets me. So we'll go on climate. You can see it's single zone temperature here all across the one cabin. Change your temperature by using the left hand dial, and then of course what you can do, you can see, right, that's it, we're done. So on here, the temperature is adjusted in the middle, and you can see you've got it there. You've got aircon, you can turn it off. You've got where the air is distributed into the cabin using these buttons. Recirculation from the air outside or recirculation from the air inside. And of course here, you've got your air distribution force, which of course you can see you have the digital circular motion just in the middle of it, changes how much you put on. Click on driving mode, you've of course got normal, gives you a rundown of how the CVT gearbox and everything works. You've got your sport option and you've got your eco, and on here you've got setup for your display, your brightness, got your drive info with a G-force meter, which is really cool, and of course you've got your eco fuel economy as well. Moving down from there, you've got a holder for change or your phone. You've got a 12-volt charger, USB and auxiliary. Then you've got your auto gearbox, really simple to use. Press the button in, pop it in reverse. You'll know because your camera illuminates. And of course, in front of you, it will say R now, not P. Press it down to drive, and you can see you've got D just there as well. Pop that back in park. And then of course, what you can see as well is you've got dual cup holders, manual handbrake, and an Alcantara almost effect there on the armrest, which is an optional extra with the storage. Lift that up and you've got your key holder as well. All in all, this Juke is very well specified, and it's ready to take you, your family and anybody else who may want a gorgeous drive anywhere in the UK. So what else can I tell you? Well, I can tell you that this Juke had of course passed with flying colours the Emerald 128 point check prior to retailing, and that means it's been given an oil and filter service and cosmetical and mechanical prep at our on-site RAC approved facility prior to me making this video. To see the results of that test, head online and check the vehicle advert. Now what else I can tell you, as the moniker of probably the best car dealership in the UK and the recipient of the 2021 award for used car retailer of the year, when it comes to finance and customer customer buying experiences, they don't come much better than the Emerald way. We can offer click and deliver, so you can remotely purchase this from the comfort of your own home without having to move an inch. You don't have to come and see us, you don't have to come and inspect the car. You can have it all signed, sealed and delivered within 48 hours. But if you do want to come down and see what makes us probably the best car dealership in the UK, then please feel free to do so. With finance partners offering APR as little as 7.9% and some of the best part exchange prices in the market, you'd be mad not to see what we can do for you. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and more importantly, we can't wait to see you soon. See you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10. I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
UK. Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Can't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'll give you a 10. I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's got to be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.